Every day, one word is different from every day, two words. So, don't mix them up. First up, every day, that's one with one word, is an adjective and it means something ordinary or routine. Example, jeans and t-shirts are my everyday clothes. That means I wear jeans and t-shirts regularly and I don't need a special occasion to put them on. Now, every day, two words, is an adverbial phrase and it means daily or each day. Example, I read a book every day to improve my English. That means on Monday I read, on Tuesday I read, and so on till Sunday. So, having learned that, can you correctly fill in the gaps in the following sentences? Number one, we went to that restaurant every day during our last vacation. Number two, jollof rice is an everyday meal in this house. Alright, so the first gap is everyday, that's two words, and the second, you guessed it, is everyday, one word. Can you form more sentences with these words? Let us see them in the comment section. Do subscribe and follow for more quality English content. Goodbye for now.